Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's been quite some time since I've made a video, and I figure I'm selling some parts here, and I figured I'd just give you guys a little bit of a process on how I restore my plastics for like my interior trim, and make them turn out to be nice and shiny, just like this. I mean, camera quality doesn't do it much justice, but they definitely look a lot better than this. And most time you'll see somebody, they'll actually spray paint their trim with like a gloss black or something. I don't recommend doing that. This is actually just a fairly simple process. If you know how to do paint correction using like a compound and a polish, that's exactly what we're going to be doing to these. And so I'm going to give you guys a little example on how to do it, and I'm gonna go over the whole thing and then bring you guys back in. So basically all you want is like a microfiber applicating pad or sponge, and you want the nice thing about this one is I can put a compound all on this side and then polish all on this side. So first thing that you're going to do is obviously shake it up, and then just want to put a fairly liberal amount on there. I've already cleaned it, so we're kind of like you want to clean your paint before you're doing this on a car. So basically all I'm going to do is holding this with two hands. You want to use firm pressure on this. We're going to actually move this one out of the way. And then we're going to basically go over the whole thing just like this with the compound. Putting a fairly good pressure on that. Because what you're doing on this, because I live in Arizona, it tends to fade the plastic and create like an oxidation layer just like your paint. So this compound is fine enough to where it removes that thin oxidation layer, and it brings back the gloss and shine, and then we'll do a polish afterwards, which will make it even better. So once I get all the compounding done, I'll be right back. So now I have completely compounded this. You guys can actually see in this light that it does make it shine more. Other than like obviously where like my fingerprints touched, and like I still have to wipe off this little bottom section here, but I wiped off this part here and it is looking so much better. Like you could see like all of right here before was like whitened plastic. I don't have an example just for comparison. That was in the beginning of the video. So we're going to get on to polishing. So I was using this side of it before for the compound. We're going to use this side for polish. So then just, well, okay, I put a little bit much there, but I'll just go around, dab it on. Alright, so you're going to basically repeat the same thing, circular motions throughout the entire thing, and then I'll bring you guys back for that. Okay, so now I have completely polished. I've wiped off all the extra polish. You guys can see that white sun fading is gone from here. So now the last thing that you want to do is use interior protectant. The stuff I'm using is Meguiar's New Car Scent Protectant. It's a non-greasy formula, shines and protects, and it's UV blocking. That's what you really want on like your interior, because you can't ever put a shade in every single window and prevent all the sun rays from getting in. So there's going to be those sun rays entering in through the car and basically drying out your plastics. So then basically what you're going to do is I have a new microfiber here. You're just going to shake it up. Get a good amount on here, and then you're gonna keep doing the same exact thing. I gotta hold this still. It's a little difficult with one hand. Didn't use the tripod. You guys can see it makes an even better glossy shine on there. Like you can see, like after polish, after protectant. So I'm gonna get this whole thing done on both of them, and then I'll be right back. So here's the quick comparison. So here, this was just compound and polish. I can see I missed a couple little spots of wiping off the polish, but I'll get to that. That's after the protectant. Nice, glossy, clean shine. I mean, you can't see a couple little scratches there, but nobody's really going to notice them. So, yeah, that's a pretty short video. Hope you guys like this, and if you guys do this, please let me know how your results turned out. I mean, I can obviously see these are so much better. The person buying them is going to be so much happier that they don't have to do the work themselves, and I get to make a short little YouTube video out of it that I haven't done in quite a few months. I will be doing an update video here right after this one on what's going to be going on with my YouTube channel and what's going on with me. So thank you all for watching. If you like this content, make sure you hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and turn on all notifications if you want to see. And then if you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments or by hitting that like button on whatever videos you like. So thank you all for watching, and have a good rest of your day, morning, night.